Are you a business owner who is actively seeking effective solutions? We understand the drive to innovate, and right strategies are absolutely crucial. Watch the video, otherwise, you absolutely won't discover the right solution.
All right, let's dive right in. We're going to talk about a term you hear absolutely everywhere these days, SaaS. But look, this is more than just another tech buzzword. It's a massive shift in how business actually gets done. So let's cut through the jargon and find out how this is changing the game for all of us.
You see this statement, and yeah, it's pretty bold, right? But honestly, it's getting more and more true every single day. We're seeing this huge move away from the old, clunky way of doing things towards something way more flexible and frankly, powerful. This isn't just a fad, it's the new way to play if you want to stay competitive.
So the big question is, why? What's really behind this huge shift? Why are so many businesses, from the tiny startup in a garage to the huge multinational, betting big on this model? Let's get into it.
And let's be real, we're calling it a revolution for a reason. This isn't just about getting new software. It's about fundamentally changing how your business works from the inside out. It's all about unlocking a level of freedom and flexibility that, honestly, just wasn't possible before.
And this right here, this is the core promise. I mean, just imagine it, running your whole operation from a laptop, maybe on a beach, or a tablet in a coffee shop, or even just your phone in between meetings. SaaS basically sets you free from the office. You're not chained to a specific computer anymore, and you don't have to worry about servers or maintenance. It just works.
Okay, so we've got the why down, but let's actually break down the what. You hear software as a service thrown around all the time, but what does it really mean for you in simple terms? Let's get a super clear definition.
At its heart, it really is this simple. The best analogy? Think about Netflix versus buying a DVD. In the old days, you bought the physical disc, or the software CD, and it was yours. But it was stuck, static, on one machine. With SaaS, it's like Netflix. You're just subscribing to a service that's always on, always updated, and you can access it from anywhere because it lives online, in the cloud. And when you put them side by side, the difference is just huge. The old way? You've got annoying installations, you have to remember to do manual updates, you might need expensive hardware, and you can only access it locally. SaaS just flips that whole script. No installs, updates happen automatically, no need for a server room, and your whole team can log in from any device. It's not just a tech change, by the way. It's a money change. You go from a massive upfront cost to a simple, predictable monthly subscription.
Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff, the part that really matters. We know what it is, but how does it actually transform your business day in and day out? Let's look at how this all translates into real-world advantages.
You can think of it as a path to making your business smarter. Step 1, it lets you automate all those repetitive tasks, which frees up your team for work that actually matters. Step 2, you can manage everything in real time, no more guessing. Step 3, all your communication is in one place, so everyone's on the same page. And all of that leads to the most important step of all, a huge reduction in boring manual work.
And the beautiful part is, this works for pretty much any industry. Take e-commerce, for example. A SaaS platform can be the brain of the whole operation, managing inventory, handling customer relationships, all from one dashboard.
Or what about real estate? A good SaaS tool can manage all your property listings and keep track of every single client interaction, so no lead ever gets dropped. It's a total game changer.
And for agencies, I mean, come on, SaaS is their lifeblood. It's the project management tool, it's the client portal, it's the time tracker, it's the thing that keeps everything on schedule and on budget. But maybe the single most powerful thing about SaaS is this: scalability. With old software, when you grew, you had to buy more licenses, maybe more servers. It was a headache. With SaaS, the system just grows right along with you. Need to add a new person to the team? It's a couple of clicks. Simple.
So everything we've talked about so far is about using existing SaaS products. But what if we took it one step further? What if the software wasn't just something you bought off the shelf, but something that was built from the ground up, just for you? This is where things get really interesting.
Seriously, just pause and think about that for a second. Instead of trying to cram your unique way of doing business into some generic software, imagine a system that was designed around your secret sauce, the very thing that makes your business special. That's the incredible power of custom SaaS.
This custom solution could become your perfect project management tool or a CRM that tracks exactly what you need it to.
It could be your booking system, your inventory platform, you name it. It's about building a digital foundation that becomes a true competitive advantage, something your competitors just can't copy.
So as we start to wrap this up, it's pretty clear that SaaS isn't just about a technology upgrade. It's a strategic move. It's a way to completely reimagine how your business operates, how it competes, and how it grows.
So if you remember anything, remember this. SaaS brings 3 essential things to your business. It gives you structure for your operations, the speed to act fast, and the scalability to grow without hitting a wall. Structure, speed, and scalability. That's really the recipe for success today.
And that brings us to the final thought, the one I really want to leave you with. Take a look at your own business, at your own workflows and your biggest headaches. What's the one part of your business that is just waiting to be transformed? Think about it. Because this shift, it's already happening.